Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. What we'll be doing here guys will relate to many BMW models guys. If you have a BMW 1 Series, 2 Series, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 guys series, X1, X2, X3 guys, X4, X5 and X6 with the intercooler. Okay, you have intercooler guys on your engine. We'll explain guys how to remove and how to replace the intercooler pipe and how to get that spring-loaded clamp loose guys, because many of you asked me how to do that. I know many people broke their intercoolers because of that, and we'll explain how to do it quickly guys. That same design's been used almost on any BMW you can think of from year 2009-10 all the way to I think year 2018 guys. You can expect that design maybe even 19. Now, it's not very complicated, but we need to explain how to do it. Otherwise, guys, you can break your intercooler. Intercoolers are expensive. Quick introduction, every single car we get at the shop, including this BMW here, guys, we make at least 200 videos to 300 videos even. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix things. Why? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can by teaching you how to fix your car for free. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you need to buy any replacement parts or tools for your car, we'll have the link in the description of the video below to see where you can get them from for a really good price as well guys. That's where we order most of our parts from. So this is a 5 series, okay, that we're working on. This is the N20, N26 engine. First, that engine has been used on so many BMWs, but even if you have the 6-cylinder engine guys or diesel engines, the procedure will be about the same. Intercooler is all the way down there, okay, that hose attaches to the intercooler, and it attaches guys, okay, by that hose clamp, okay, right here. So we'll explain to you now guys, okay, how to do that. So let me pass the camera guys. Now that hose will attach, okay, it will be closed like that, right? So how we guys, okay, how we actually release that thing. Now there is one trick, make sure it's stand till the end, because otherwise you can break your intercooler. You can see on top here guys, okay, you have special holders that will hold your spring. So if you open it on one side, okay, let me show you now. Open it on like one side, let's remove the screwdriver. Okay, it stays like that. And now we need to open this one, but if you try to open this one, what will happen? Okay, sometimes spring will fall in guys. Okay, so you will have to get 2 screwdrivers. Okay, and when it's installed you get 2 screwdrivers. Okay, you get it like that. Okay, and you're wondering why it doesn't want to come out. Simply because of the fact guys that, okay, what you see, what's happening, okay, right here, that piece needs to come out as well, and it will be stuck. So how you guys do that? Okay, you grab the pipe and you push it a little bit in the intercooler, towards the intercooler. And when you push it in guys, okay, with 2 screwdrivers at the same time, you're going to pry it. Okay, and it's very important that you don't have anything else holding on the inside. Okay, this needs to almost come out. Check it out. That's how it should be. And once you do all that guys, it will come loose. Otherwise it's impossible. Many people ask me how to do that, so we decided guys to show you quick. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.